So before the video start, I'm basically gonna be showing y'all how to get everything for free on the site. So where you don't gotta pay for it. So if you basically was using the site, you got limited, but you don't want to pay for anything on it. Well, I'm here to actually help y'all. So yeah. So I'm gonna basically, so when you see right here, so I was basically typing. So pillars are basically how I come up with the idea. So you see, I was basically typing right here, but I just got limited. I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this. So where if this happened to you, you no longer gotta pay for it. So, and I know some of y'all are probably, and don't. So if I say this, please don't take this as offense because I'm saying. So I know some of y'all are probably broke, and which is fine. You become broke, you be broke, and then eventually you become rich. Everything alright. So once I show you the ways how to really blow up the channels, y'all all become rich because of. So I basically was making a whole new channel, and I basically just started a brand new channel. I didn't want to reveal it, but I guess I'll reveal it. So the new channel I just basically started. I just started a war channel basically for like military type guns. So if I go to over there, show you guys the channel, so switch accounts, so much switch accounts. I'm gonna show you guys the channel I just made. So I basically just made a new military combat channel. So what I was be talking about combats and basically guns and shit basically on this channel. So yeah, so like I said, I just made the whole new channel, but I'm gonna show you guys how to get everything for free use on this site, so where you don't gotta pay for it. So if you're a newbie, and you don't have the money to pay for the site, I got you. It's cool. So I'm gonna sign into. I got you. It's cool. So I'm gonna log into this, and I know it be like that sometimes, like where like me, bro. I don't have shit right now, bro. That's why the only thing I got is my channels. Like I don't work in a job. All I do is YouTube. So yeah. So like I said, I know how it is in those days. And it's cool. Like I said, you need money to live, and I show you ways to grow. So that way you could start growing and start actually converting these views and actually making money on YouTube. So yeah. So that's why you're not wasting no time. So you see, I put this as a profile picture, and I go back X, and I basically put this as the banner to us. So, and I also got this right here. So basically what I went through was I switched it. I liked it this one right here. So yeah, I liked it this one, but I switched it. And yeah, so these are 3 examples of how the channel is looking like. So yeah, so the new military channel I'm making. So this is the profile picture. This is the basically the banner, and this is the banner. So I try to be basically made. So all right, so I'm gonna show you guys how to now basically. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to incognito mode tab. Firstly, what I want you guys to do is basically come over to sign up. So when you sign up, we're gonna use a Gmail Nader. So we're gonna basically use as a Gmail Nader. Gmail Nader is for us to like sign up on this, but without them to pay for it. Cause I know I told y'all, bro. I know some of y'all guys don't have the money to pay on these sites and pay for these type of tools, which is fine. That's why I'm here to help y'all, and I'm here to put you on the right way. And it's no problem with, like I said, you start out broke and you become rich, and the methods you're gonna learn from my channel is the methods you're gonna start converting these views into actually making money on YouTube and get monetized from it. So yeah, so like I said, and it's fine. All of y'all start out broke, and it's like I said, it's fine. Don't be mad about what I said. It's fine. You good. So we go to Control C, and we go to Control V, and we just space this here. So we go to Control V. Like the methods I'm showing y'all, nobody else are teaching you on YouTube. Like nobody is physically up there grinding like the way I'm grinding. Nobody's teaching you the type of methods I'm teaching y'all. So when y'all learn from me, bro, you learn from somebody that way. You're not gonna learn it nowhere else. So I'm gonna basically paste the code here. So we just continue it. You can see, so this email was recently used. Please contact. All right, so we just go to continue. All right, so this is no verification code was requested. Please request a new one. Alright, so we just send a new one, and what we're just going to do is go to inbox, and we refresh it, and yeah. So, like I said, we refresh it, and it should be in. Alright, so what I'm smoothly going to do is smoothly going to come over there. So, I'm going to come up to this. I'm going to copy this email. I'm going to now paste this here. I'm going to click continue. Alright, so what we're now going to do is ask us for another verification code. So, we're going to basically refresh, and we're going to go through, and we're going to put the verification code in. Alright, so you guys will see, just sent another verification code. So, like I said, it just sent this one 2 minutes ago. It just sent us another one just now. So, we're going to go to a recent one right here. So, this one right here is what we're going to go to. So, we're going to copy this, and we're going to paste this here. and then now we go to continue, and boom. So this email just was recently. All right, so we gotta sign up. So we're not dealing with this shit. So I'm gonna just take us to a regular temp mail. So like I said, we go to a regular temp mail. We can try this one right here. Try this temp mail. So we copy, we'll paste this here. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go to verification code, and I should send a verification code. Alright, so this is invalid email address temporary. Please use a different email address. Alright, so what it's gonna basically do is hit us with that invalid shit. It's fine. You know what we're gonna do is basically come over to this right here. We're gonna go to generate new, and we're gonna just generate this right here. So yeah, we're gonna click that. Let this X go. We're gonna just exit this. Alright, so I'm gonna click go. Alright, so I'm gonna copy this right here. Copy this. And hopefully nobody uses it. So if nobody uses it, it's free for us to use. Alright, so yeah, tools. Yeah, nobody uses email, so it's free for us to use. So I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna basically paste this email. Paste the email, go to sign up. Alright, so what we're gonna do is send us a verification code again. And we're gonna basically try this verification code one. Alright, so you guys can see recall right here. It sent us the code. So what I'm smoothly gonna do is go to this right here. I'm smoothly gonna basically paste this here. We're gonna continue. Alright, so this will let us in. Alright, so you see right here, so it lets us in. So like I said, sometimes you just gotta go through the emails and go through different ones, and you guys to see that it lets us in smoothly. So yeah, so like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's not fake, it's all real. And I'm also gonna show you guys. So yeah, so like I said, if you smoothly try different ones, sometimes it has error codes, but if you try like a different one, it's gonna eventually let you in. So yeah, so what I'm gonna do is smoothly copy all this right here. I'm gonna copy everything from this chat. I'm gonna basically come here. I'm gonna come in my notes. And I'm gonna make a new notepad, right? I'm gonna make a new notepad. By the way, I'm gonna make a new notepad. And I'm gonna just paste everything here. So what I'm smoothly gonna do is paste everything here. Alright, so I'm gonna go online notes. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is go to edit. Select all. I'm just gonna delete this. Alright, so I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna go to online notes. Notepad. And I'm basically gonna hit enter. And what this is gonna allow us to do is basically come here to copy this. And it's gonna allow us to basically paste this right here. So I'm gonna come in here. I'm gonna basically paste this. Alright, so I'm gonna paste all this text where online note just gave us. Alright, so I'm gonna paste it up there so you can see. So what we're smoothly gonna do is basically attach. So I wanna say old attachment from recall cards. So we just want to go to recall cards. Alright, so what we're gonna do is basically go to download .x. Alright, so what I'm smoothly gonna do is now come over to this, and I'm smoothly gonna drag this right here, drag this file into here. So that way we're gonna drag it into here. So what I'm smoothly gonna do is basically put it as a TXT. So I'm smoothly gonna go to TXT, and I'm smoothly gonna just drag this into here. Alright, so I'm also going to now add it. So what's going to now do is add it. And you can see, so this is drag, drop, disable due to too many bucks. Alright, so what it just did was it drag it right here and ends all drag. So yeah, that way we could just ignore that. Alright, so what Smoothie going to do is Smoothie just going to go to my Google Docs link, and I'm going to basically put this in a folder so where you guys can check it out at. So if you guys want to check it out on here, you could. But I wasn't supposed to leak this, but this is a new military niche and I'm going into. I guess I figure I'm gonna leak it, so it's whatever. Like I said, I have experience in me growing these channels. I know what the fuck I'm doing, so I'm just not up here just to lie and tell a bullshit lie like some of these gurus, coaches. I'm not up here to do that. So I'm up here actually put you on the right path. For the ones who can't afford it, don't worry about the tool. I just showed you the method. So yeah, just take it and go. And yeah, so what I'm smoothly gonna do is smoothly gonna go right here. So I'm basically gonna tell. So pillars is basically how we come up with our. So you can see when I basically try to enter it right here, it don't allow me to do it. So yeah, so I'm gonna basically go to this tool right here, and we're gonna just space it, and it's gonna basically tell me. So pillars is like how we come up with the idea. So what it's gonna do is basically how we come up exactly. So easy man with it exactly. So yeah, so like I said, we gave it a file, we got everything we need, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Be sure to take action, and don't worry if you can't afford some of these tools. I got y'all, bro. Just give you the method. Go ahead, take it and go, and it's cool. Y'all go ahead and yeah, don't worry about it. Like I said, I got y'all chat. And yeah. So like I said, I'm gonna see y'all later though, and I'm out. I'm out, bro. So yeah, I'm gonna place all this right here. So yeah, I'm gonna place all this right here, and I'm out. And I'm doing this for a favor for y'all. I could have just kept these methods between myself and start charging people for this shit. But people told my mom told me, like people told me, oh, maybe you should charge people for this type of knowledge. You got a lot of methods right there. I said, yeah, I know a lot of ways. So yeah, so I try to bring these methods to YouTube to give it to y'all. But yeah, but like I said, I'm out though, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video.